Hi everyone, welcome to Diana's Table. Today we're going to be making cucumber and onion kimchi. The onions are in season now and they're very fresh and sweet and perfect to make kimchi with. And also this kimchi will help us tide us over until we're ready to make summer kimchi. So let's get started. First, select the cucumbers that are firm and slender. Then cut the cucumbers lengthwise into 4 sections. Remove the seeds to prevent them from getting mushy. This will keep the kimchi crunchy for a long time. I cut into 2 centimeters in length or bite-sized pieces. This way, you can just serve them as it is. Salt lightly and toss to evenly coat the cucumbers. Don't wash the salted cucumbers. Just drain them after 10 minutes. Cut the onions into 4 sections. I usually like to keep the onions same size by removing the small inner sections first. Then I cut the outer sections to match the size of the inner sections. Quarter the heads of the green onions if you don't want to bite into a large green onion piece, and cut them into same length as the cucumbers. I also like to peel the paprika to remove the seeds. Paprika will add natural sweetness to the seasoning. And I do the same with red chili peppers as well. Red chili peppers will add another layer of spiciness to the seasoning mix. But be careful, as the red chili pepper can be very hot and spicy. Don't rub your eyes after that. Blend apples and Asian pear and cold white rice. Although I usually make sweet rice porridge, cold white rice can make a wonderful substitution. It is especially useful when making a quick, simple kimchi like today. Make sure to blend all the ingredients well. You don't want any large pieces of peppers or apples floating about. To the mixture, add more gochugaru, minced garlic, and ginger. Notice that I haven't added any salt. Fish sauce and salted cucumbers will provide enough saltiness to the mixture. You don't want to salt the onions because you don't want them to be mushy. To the large bowl, add all the vegetables. Add some gochugaru to the vegetables to get some color before adding the seasoning mix as well. It's important to mix the seasoning mix well with all the vegetables. Make sure that each and every cucumber and onion is well coated with the seasoning. In Korea, we say that it's your 손맛 or your magic touch that will ultimately determine the final taste of the food. So add some tender loving care when mixing the kimchi. Pack down tightly in a container to remove all air pockets. As I usually pack down the kimchi, I add my own little prayer by saying 맛있어져라, 맛있어져라, or please taste good, please taste good. And it does. Enjoy!